I'm Zin.
I'm Santana.
Today we're going over how to simplify and combine like terms. So when you have an equation like this, and you have all these variables and stuff, you need to combine all the variables that are the same. So, Santana, please show our viewers how you do this.
First of all, it doesn't matter which variable you choose first. For me, I'm going to choose all the x's. So, and I'm going to square all the x's that would need to be combined. And you do need to add the sign in it, because if you don't know what it's going to be.
So, he's marked each x with a certain, he's boxed each x. So Santana has marked each x variable, and so what we want to do now is we want to simplify them by combining the x variables. So we have 3x plus x, so that's 4x, plus 2x is 6x. So we have, in our new equation, we have 6x. And now, Santana, would you please mark the number?
Mark the number. Oh!
Okay, so Santana has marked the numbers in the equation. These have no variables, so we just add them together. 2 plus 3 is 5. So, plus 5. And now we have left. Santana has marked the number terms and the x terms. Now all we have left is the x squared term, the y squared term, and the xy term. So he's going to mark which one he chooses now. So he's underlined the xy term, and it's positive xy term, so we're just going to move that in there, since there's nothing to combine. So plus x, y. And now all we have left is the y squared and the x squared. So, yeah, Santana, take it away. So, yes, plus y squared. And now all we have left is the x squared term, which will be squared. And then positive x squared goes right in here. Nice and easy. And there's your simplified equation. Now this is the answer. So basically what we did is took this really confusing, really ugly problem and brought it into this beautiful, simple, sexy equation. It's actually not an equation. It's a expression. So now that we're done reviewing the example for how to simplify and combine like terms, we're going to give you a little assessment. So here's our problem, and right now what we want you to do is pause the video and solve this on a blank sheet of binder paper or whatever you want to do it on. And we'll be back with how to solve it.
Now that you guys have solved the problem, or if you haven't finished, that's okay. We're going to be showing you how to do it right now. First of all, you're going to combine whatever variables you want. Like you combine the 3x squared with the negative 5x squared, or negative 2x with the positive 3x, or positive 7 with the negative 2. And Zen will choose whatever he wants to combine right now.
So, we're going to start with the x squared terms. So I'm just going to square these. So we have 3x squared minus 5x squared. So that would be negative 2x squared.
Write it down! But before you combine them, don't forget the sign with the negative 5x squared, or else the whole equation is going to be wrong. So it's going to come out to negative 2x squared.
So now that Santana has put that into our soon-to-be new equation, we have to take in the next terms. So we have the x terms right here. So negative 2x plus 3x, which would be, like I said, don't forget the signs. And then this is going to come out to a positive 1x. True. So now we're done with that, and all we have left is the number terms. So we're going to underline those, and here we go. Then it's going to come out to like, it's going to come out to positive 5. So here is our new equation. We took this ugly, fat equation to this beautiful, new, easy to read equation. And that's how you simplify and combine like terms. Good job, you did it, guys. So then you combine these, so this is positive 3x plus x plus 2x. So that would be 5x. It would be 6x. Over is the xy term, the y squared term, and the x squared term. So pick which one you want to do, Savannah. What the? Oh my gosh, are you serious?